What's your name?
Ellie.
How old are you, Ellie?
2.
2. Good job. Who do you like to play with?
2.
2. Who do you like to play with? What's your friend's name?
Baby thing.
Baby? Oh, what do you like to watch on TV?
Caillou.
Caillou. Yeah.
Different.
Doc McStuffins.
Yeah.
What else? What about Daniel Tiger? What do you like to do to have fun? What do you do when you have fun?
Nothing.
Nothing? What do you like your favorite song to sing? No, what song do you like to sing?
Song.
What song?
Dang, dang, dang.
What song do you like, silly girl? You sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Yeah. Twinkle is sauce.
How do you like to dance? Can you show me how you dance?
Dance, dance.
Can you act like a baby? Show me
No.
how you act like a baby.
My baby's your face.
Oh, that's your baby
Mommy.
friend?
I want to walk. I love you, Mommy.
Where's your favorite toy?
He's fishing.
Huh?
My baby's fishing.
Your baby?
Yeah.
Can you blow a kiss?
Okay. Hi. Baby, want to walk?
Oh, that's so sweet. What kind of food do you like to eat?
Look at me.
What do you like to
I'm
eat?
walking.
What do you like to eat?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Do you like oatmeal?
No, cereal.
You like cereal?
No, ammo.
Oatmeal?
No. Cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
No.
Halloween.
Nothing.
You're gonna have.
Nothing.
Is that your favorite word?
No, nothing.
Yay! Clap your hands. Yay! What do you want to say? What do you want to say to Auntie Lexi?
I'm talking Lexi. I'm talking Lexi.
Okay. Where's your phone? You can pretend to call her. What are you going to say?
Well, I'm talking Lexi. I'm talking Lexi.
Okay. Where's your phone? You can pretend to call her. What are you going to say?
Well, I do it.